Hey guys, so this video is, the makeup look is going to be a look inspired by Siouxsie and the Banshees. It also could just be called a traditional or trad goth look because this was definitely a goth look from the 80s, and I can claim having been, goth back then as well. I am older, and so yeah, this is sort of like going back to my roots. I'm not just doing it as like a Halloween look or something like that, although this will be posted as part of my Halloween collaboration things that I'm doing with some other people. I will put the information for the other person that is a part of this collab on the screen and down in the description box. You can check her out on YouTube and on Instagram. So, yeah, I've already gotten started a little bit. I have my lipstick on, obviously, and I've got my foundation on. So I wanted to go ahead and put the lipstick on because I'm also sort of filming another video in conjunction. The lipstick that I have on right now is one of the Sophia Nygaard and ColourPop collaboration that I just received in the mail today. The whole Siouxsie look is more angular, but I went ahead and put it on, and I'm going to be doing some updates throughout the night as far as like how well the lipstick wears and if it wears off, and just what my overall thoughts are of, the wearability of the product. So I went ahead and filmed the lipstick part. That's why it's already on. Anyway, the main part, the part that's going to be the most dramatic, is the eyes, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started on that. Now, I wish I had trimmed up and done something with my eyebrows, but when you work night shifts, you just don't have time to do that kind of stuff, so I haven't been able to get it done. And I'm starting in kind of a weird way. I'm going to start with the bottom and get kind of that outline done first. And I think that's pretty much the basic shape. I will fill in more of the brow with some black eyeshadow. Like I said, this look is a very harsh, with a lot of straight lines, very kind of harsh and angular look. Before I start on the other eye, now I want to get the outline done on both eyes and then work on the actual eyeshadow. I want to do the waterline. I've been trying to find a good liner for the waterline. None of them will stay for me. Like, I put them on there and then they're gone. But this one was recommended by a YouTuber that I watch, and it is the Jordana Easy Liner. And I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Alright, now I'm going to get the same outline on the other side, and then we will keep going. Alright, now that I have the basic outline done with the eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and do the eyeshadow. Now, this side is going to look not as straight or even as this side. This is the side affected by cancer. This side is more hooded. The skin over here looks more like the skin of someone at least 10 years older than me. Like, my face split down the middle. This side looks one way and this side looks another, and that's part of the struggle that started me doing YouTube videos in the first place, was me getting used to my old face because it's so different than it was before. So I always do better on this side than this side. That's just, I'll just keep turned over this way. Anyway, I am going to use the black from the Baby Back Beauty. And first I want to fill in those brows, get them nice and dark. Oh yeah, that's better. Alright, how are we looking so far? I tell you what, this is a great look for someone with hooded eyes because, I mean, you go so far outside of the lines of your eyes and everything, it's just going to make the hoodedness a non-issue. Alright, now I'm using a shimmery white color on this part that I left there. Alright, and then I'm going to do the other eye. The only thing really left for this eye, I think, is going to be to find some dramatic lashes to put on. Alright, let's see if I can get this other side to match. And it doesn't help that I'm left-handed, and I have to do like this to get over here to the side. There's just a lot of things out that gets me when it comes to doing the makeup on this side. Like I said, pretty hard to get it exactly even, but I'm happy with that. Alright, one thing I want to do before I put the lashes on, the lashes will be last, is the blush. Now, it looks like in most of the pictures that I can find that she uses red lipstick and also more of a reddish blush, although a lot of the pictures are in black and white, so it looks like black. But she does it in more of the contour area, not the cheek area. And whenever I do a goth look, I normally like to use a black or a gray contour in the cheek. And I don't think I have a dark blush that will really do the look justice. So I'm going to use my regular blush, and then on top of that, some black, sort of like I normally would for contouring anyway. And of course, Jose has to make an appearance. He can't be far from me, y'all. He gets too stressed out. Hey, Norman. Say hi to the people. I'm just using a little dab of that same black eyeshadow that I have on my eyes from the Baby Back Beauty palette, just to really, really emphasize this contour. I really like this look. It's kind of drag queen as well. It definitely seems to encapsulate, is that the right word, what the 80s look was. Now I'm just going to pause the camera and put some eyelashes on and my wig, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. I am not going to do like a teased 80s hairstyle. That was never my thing even back then. Not really. But yep, this is it. Like I said, inspired by Siouxsie and the Banshees. Could easily just be called a traditional goth look because that's really what it is. And I mean, yeah, I was around then. I was born in the 70s, and I was in the alternative subculture pretty much from the beginning, so I can definitely say that I'm not like one of these 20-something-year-olds that's just trying to do a look based off of what they think it was like in the day, or just followed a picture or whatever. This is it, y'all. What do you think? How did I do? Suggestions for improvement? Is there another look that you'd like to see me do? Just let me know in the comments below. Alright, that is it, y'all. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to go check out Radically Dark's look that she did as well on her channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.